why you see on some t-shirts, it'll say something like, you know, La Gallo or La Mano or whatever. And it's because of this game. Okay. Pretty much like a Mexican bingo, if you want to put it that way. And so sometimes on shirts, they just make fun of it and put down, you know, like El Chivo or whatever, you know, saying, making fun of somebody that did something.
All right. Oh, thanks, man. It's my YouTube channel. Yeah, you gotta check it out. I'm doing. Thanks, man. Yeah, that's my YouTube channel. How's it going?
Pretty good, buddy. Start decorating the garage. That's my prayer. I keep telling everybody about it. No. And now that the season's over, now they want to put him in the starting line. Dylan Harper.
Oh, that was a mistake.
Yep. They should have had him in the starting lineup to begin with.
So how do you guys get these? Is this through a mass distributor or?
Oh no, we just start doing framing and stuff. And then because I do all these frames.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I make frames. So,
Okay.
Yeah, I start with a small table and then get one space and another space.
And how much are they?
$10.
$10? Oh, that's not bad. Okay.
Not bad, right? think a millennial knows how to work this?
No,
Or Generation Z? Let me tell you though.
they can't even work an old-fashioned dial-up phone.
So, when the internet goes down, you don't know how to operate this.